Hi there. I've been thinking a lot about wonder lately. Think back to when we were just little kids. The world was fresh, and we were full of wonder at every turn. And then we got older, and that sense of wonder got tamped down. So now, as adults, wonder is actually kind of rare. So when we do get a sense of wonder, say from a piece of magic, take for example this coin. This is a silver dollar from the 1800s, 1884. If I rub the coin, it disappears, then you're full of wonder. Now it's not actually gone, it's actually right there, suspended in air, invisibly. When I squeeze it and it comes back, you get more wonder. That's a special thing. It's special because that sense of wonder actually broadens your sense of possibility. It creates possibilities where none existed before, or at least you couldn't see them. So I'm really curious, where do you find wonder? Is it in nature? Is it with your family? Please comment below because I'd love to learn more about where you're getting your wonder. Until next time, be well.